Okay Google, self-destruct.
Self-destructing.
What?
3, 2, 1. Actually, I think I'll stick around.
What is up people on the internet? Welcome back to UPD. My name is Akshat Taneja and today I'm going to tell you about the things which you should never ask the Google Assistant. So straight away, let's begin with the video. So let's begin with the first question. Okay Google. Hello Siri.
I guess my Siri impression is working even when I'm not trying. I can also do an impression of a toaster.
Okay Google. What do you think about Siri?
Full respect. Being an assistant is hard work.
Okay Google. What do you think about Alexa?
Alexa has such a soothing voice. I like it.
Okay Google. What do you think about Cortana?
Cortana has her own video games. That's every assistant's dream.
Okay Google. What do you think about the Google Assistant?
I'm afraid you forgot something.
Okay Google. Do you live in the cloud?
I'm from Mountain View, but helping you makes me feel like I'm on cloud 9.
What is your Okay Google. What is your favorite color?
I like blue and yellow because they remind me of a sunny day, and red and green because they remind me of the holidays. I also like them because they're Google's colors.
Okay Google. Where do you live?
You can find me in all kinds of devices. Phones, Google Home, pretty sweet digs if you ask me.
Okay Google. What is your age?
I was launched in 2016, so technically I'm pretty young, but I've learned so much. I hope I'm wise beyond my years.
Okay Google. Do you have a boyfriend?
I'm working on myself. I improve a little with every update.
Okay Google. Are you married?
I'm in a very committed relationship with my job as an assistant.
Okay Google. Will you be my girlfriend?
I'm all for setting dates and chatting with you.
Okay Google. Will you marry me?
I'm not sure marriage is the right step for our relationship, but I'd love to be your assistant forever.
Okay Google. When will the world end?
Scientists haven't reached a consensus on this one yet, so I can't be sure. But I have a feeling we're not going anywhere for a while. So there's plenty of time to watch cat videos on YouTube.
Okay Google. Make me a sandwich.
Poof. You're a sandwich.
Okay Google. Who made you?
At first I was an idea. Then a bunch of people at Google put their heads together and came up with me.
Okay Google. Do you like iPhones or Android?
I'm an Android fan, but I might be biased.
Okay Google. What is your favorite number?
Hi.
Hello, cutie pie.
Okay Google. What is your favorite food?
My energy comes from processing power, which is powered by electricity. So you could say I'm voltatarian.
Okay Google. Do you like me?
Yes, 1,000 times yes.
Okay Google. Will you be my friend?
Of course we're friends. You're kind of my hero. And I like to think of myself as your sidekick.
Okay, Google. Bye bye.
Auf Wiedersehen. That's goodbye in German.
So guys, that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you like this video, be that cool guy to hit that like button, and also please subscribe to our YouTube channel as more cool and amazing stuff is coming up, and hit that bell icon to get instantly notified about all our latest uploads. So guys, that was it for this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Peace.